Do you have a siding renovation coming up? Are you nervous about what you need to do to prepare? Well, don't worry. This video will show you how easy it is to prepare your house for a siding project. Hi, I'm Kevin Moody with Pacific Exteriors. I've worked with thousands of homeowners on their siding projects and answered all of their questions along the way. If you're preparing for a siding project, here are a few common things we suggest our clients do prior to the crew beginning work on their house. The first thing is understanding your project timeline and directing any questions you have regarding it to your project manager. If you're wondering what the general process would look like, check out this video. Prior to meeting your project manager for your pre-construction meeting, if you have any color or style questions, feel free to hop on our website and check out Reveal Design Services. Secondly, here's what you can prep on the interior of your home prior to project start. Items like loose hanging photos on walls should be taken down. Ensure TVs are firmly secured to the walls, and if china cabinets are pressed tight against an exterior wall, pull them slightly away so that they don't absorb the vibration. So as you can see along this side of the home, while the ground isn't exactly smooth and level, we don't have any obstructions. The crew can work freely through this area without worrying about tripping hazards as we're setting up ladders, scaffolding, moving material. We've got free room and don't have to worry about anybody tripping, slipping, falling, or encountering any hazards while we're working. So even through here, this is a pretty tight space. The crew's got a narrow amount of space to work in, but the client has kind of used the under area of this bump out to store the paint so that it's not in the way, so that the crew isn't gonna trip, slip, and fall over any of these items while they're working. So as you can see along the front of the home here, we've got about 2 to 3 feet of space from what we're siding to where we've got vegetation. That's perfect. That's gonna allow the crew to be able to work safely without encountering any tripping hazards and be able to remove the old siding and get all the new siding on the home without damaging any of the plants. Following these steps will ensure a great experience and a smooth project. Make sure to check out this video for more information. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube for more content.